How to fix a swinging door. So this door right here, as you can see, it's a ghost door. It swings shut. And that happens for various reasons. The door shouldn't be hung out of level. The door is hung plumb, but sometimes the wall's out of level going in or out of plumb, which there's not much we can do about that. And sometimes the door warps after we hang it, which puts pressure on the hinges and makes it hinge bound or springy. And there's a lot of reasons for it. But what you can do is you can pop one of the hinge pins out, which is what I did. I just took the middle one out. What you can do is just take it, and I like to do it on the carpet because it kind of makes a good hitting surface. And you just strike it with your hammer 1 or 2 times, but you just want to bend it just a little bit. So you can see it's got a little bend to it. And then you force it back in. This puts pressure on the hinge and gives it some friction. Gross. Okay. And that typically does it. Just one hinge. See how you can see it doesn't move now? On bad ones, you might have to do 2 hinges. But typically just one hinge pin will cut it. So that's it.